How to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get Bluetooth back up and running on your PC quickly and easily. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices on the left side menu. At this point, make sure the Bluetooth toggle is turned on. If it's off, click on it to enable it. In the next step, if Bluetooth is already on but still not working, click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager. From there, open Device Manager and expand the Bluetooth section by clicking on the arrow next to it. At this stage, look for your Bluetooth adapter in the list. If there's a yellow warning icon next to it, it means there's a driver issue. Let me show you how to fix it. Following this, right-click on your Bluetooth adapter and click on Update Driver. Once done, click on Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the latest driver. From there, once the update is complete, restart your PC and check if Bluetooth is working. At this stage, if the issue is still there, right-click on your Bluetooth adapter again and click on Uninstall Device. Following this, click on Uninstall to confirm. Then restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall the Bluetooth driver. Here's an important note. If Bluetooth isn't showing up in Device Manager at all, click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. Your Bluetooth adapter may be hidden, and this will make it visible. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Bluetooth on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.